Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll provide a detailed explanation of CNC plasma plate cutting and CNC plasma pipe cutting machines, along with their processes. Please watch the video till the end. CNC plasma plate cutting machine. A CNC plasma plate cutting machine is a computer-controlled tool designed to accurately cut metal plates of various thicknesses and sizes. Key components: 1. Plasma cutting torch. 2. CNC controller. 3. Cutting table. 4. Drive system. 5. Safety features, including fire suppression and fume extraction. Process. 1. Design creation. Use CAD software to create a 2D design. 2. Material preparation. Place the metal plate securely on the cutting table. 3. Machine setup. Input design parameters, set cutting speed, and select plasma gas. 4. Cutting process. The plasma torch moves over the plate, cutting along the design path. The high-velocity plasma arc melts and removes metal efficiently. 5. Finish. Inspect cut edges, deburr if necessary, and clean. CNC plasma pipe cutting machine. A CNC plasma pipe cutting machine accurately cuts pipes of various diameters and thicknesses. Key components: 1. Plasma cutting torch. 2. CNC controller. 3. Rotating pipe chuck. 4. Cutting head. 5. Safety features, including fire suppression and fume extraction. Process. 1. Design creation. Use CAD software to create a 3D design. 2. Material preparation. Securely clamp the pipe in the rotating chuck. 3. Machine setup. Input design parameters, set cutting speed, and select plasma gas. 4. Cutting process. The plasma torch moves along the pipe's length, cutting along the design path. The rotating chuck ensures accurate cutting around the pipe's circumference. 5. Finish. Inspect cut edges, deburr if necessary, and clean. Common features: 1. Hypertherm or other plasma cutting systems. 2. Automatic nesting for optimized material usage. 3. Real-time cutting monitoring. 4. Dual or multi-torch capability for increased productivity. Advantages: 1. High accuracy and precision. 2. Fast cutting speeds. 3. Reduced material waste. 4. Improved safety. 5. Versatility in cutting various metals and thicknesses. Industries using CNC plasma cutting: 1. Shipbuilding. 2. Construction. 3. Automotive. 4. Aerospace. 5. Oil and gas. 6. Fabrication. Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.